Battle of Vimeiro August 1808, you do get a good feel from up here towards the ridge. Obviously slightly changed today from where there were vines and hedges and thickets, but the gentle slope going down towards the bottom of the valley, where it's quite obviously very wet, lots of lush vegetation, and then back up in the direction, French direction, snaking off that way. It does make a difference. You know, that it wasn't a reverse slope here, it was more of a forward slope, and using the vegetation and the topography to Wellesley's advantage. But how it makes a difference, how the troops coming on would have had to struggle through the wetter ground and then up the slopes here, and the way that the elevation actually gives the commanding view, of course, but also added distance and allows good artillery fire. Kind of get a good idea of the vines in the distance, actually a bit closer to what some of it would have been like. Very peaceful up here today though.